I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Guys, send babe go buy 1 pound of grape. Watch her. I don't think 22 grape in the bag will babes come back with. 1 pound of grape at $1,000. Mr. Baby, sure this scale never something. This don't feel like 1 pound. This don't look like 1 pound. Anyways, we bought some more street food. We buy more food on the road, but I'm going to shower and then I'm going to show now what we have. Because I have fried chicken, barbecue chicken, and some chips there. So, yeah. Also, bought cane. This was a serving of $300. And instead, bought 2 serving. I want 200 serving. I want 300, maybe 200 already. So, but I don't know. This watch out. Why is he selling it and the cane look like that? Alright, guys. Right now, morning, you know, one quick Temu Haul with a few stuff. So, alright, so I got this cheese holder. What's that? Your phone? You mash up? You broke? You ain't got the phone there. This cheese holder, it's really convenient. I bought one from Shein. When I bought it, babe said, oh, that's not important. You never buy that. However, ask him. Oh, organize to keep the fridge grizzle. It is 5 cents. It is 5 cents and it makes everything organized. I don't know me. I love when things aesthetically pleasing. So this I got one from Shein. I got one from Shein that was 7 cents. I think Temu sells them for 5 cents. Remember, the grape should go in the grape holder. Wash out the grape before you put it in the fridge. Because often time we go, I will just grab them and put them in the mouth. Alright, yes. So, yeah, Temu. Over there, 5 cents. I think it's 5 cents over there. Yeah. Like 5 cents. I said 5 cents. Alright. For my car, this handbrake cover. But here what, people, my car is not a silver setting because I wanted to do it in a rose gold setting. I wanted to do it in a rose gold setting because the push to start thing around it is rose gold, and my air freshener holder from Blvd Works is also rose gold. Is it rose gold or chrome? One of them. So this does not fit in, so it seemed like I'm going to change over my car in a silver, which I didn't really want to do, but it's okay because I was doing rose gold because I'm saying, you know what, rose gold is a bit different and I wanted to do something that is different. So that's why I'm going to do rose gold, but silver is not bad too as well because I've been trying to find rose gold steering wheel cover, but I'm not get that. So yeah. Handbrake cover, Temu. This laundry sign, like literally, this. Oh God, I don't even remember. Like, I don't even remember how this looked on the review photos or whatever. But a simple laundry sign. I think this is cents. You can find it on the site for cents if you're interested. I'm going to just it will be very useful. I can just put it up in the laundry room. It came wrapped up like this on a paper. This kitchen sign, when I saw it online, I thought it was really bigger. However, I want little bingy something, like little bingy something. What could I measure it with my phone? Like this, no, I show them like the estimate, like an idea. So this is the iPhone XR, and see how big this be. See? So it says this is a self-cleaning kitchen. Clean up after yourself. That's definitely a vibe for my kitchen. Clean up after yourself because we don't clean behind anybody. So yeah, but it's very small. Last thing I have here is this you know them, they call it these vase that are trending now. Honestly, I didn't know that this thing was such a little binge. Look here, when I'm telling you to choose, and when you choose this option, this is such a bingy thing. Like you choose, be quiet. This is such a bingy. Look here, this bingy bad. Bingy. When we say bingy, I mean very wingy. It's little. See the box here? It's little, but it's cute. It's really cute. Like very cute. I can put this on my table over there, or I can put it on the little entry table that I have there with a nice little pampas in it. I love it. I could put this on my dresser table because the entertainment section table full up. So I can't even add it. So these are what I got. And this is where I'm going to cut the party this video. I'm going to bed. Bye. These people are doing a protest. Is it a stand-up protest? Where they're talking about they should stop incorporate the LGBTQ in the whole entire system, because it's all over the news where they're saying they want to put it in the curriculum. So I have this lady here. I'm gonna pass that lady there, and there's another lady, and around the corner around there you have some other people, and yeah, and even some people that are right here so to say no to abortion, LGBT or something. I see a lot of people up there, so I agree.
Persian rose. She's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. I'll be turning.
I am by Manor Park. So guys, today is Thursday and I got home, and today I'm making a nice pot of cabbage with salt fish. The cabbage looks so good, and then I don't cook it. And I think we're gonna start cooking it. It's seasoned and everything, but it looks so good. Like, yeah, I'm sure looks so good. So good. Yeah. So I'm going to put this on to steam until the saltfish finish. How you guys cook your cabbage though? I'm cooking cabbage. You want to put little water on it, cover it, and then that's it. What's your video me? What's your video me? Why your video me? I'm just relaxing. I'm relaxing. Time is so hot. I'm on the internet, the school out of Wi-Fi. Look, I'm stressed out. My water finished everything. Alright guys, so dinner tonight, Friday night. Homemade fries, burger, and I got my favorite mayo and ketchup for my fries. So did I say today's Friday night? Yeah, something special for the night. Fatty food. Oh god. Hey guys, me I tell about the police, but the people focus now. I can't eat it off. It's too sweet. It tweet, man, it tweet. This just sweet tooth. Watch that. I can't eat this off. Two left. I mean, I can't eat it with consideration of one this. You know? But I know, but. Oh, God. Alright, guys, so I'm currently heading back to home. Just finished the two little house stuff for me to do. And then we're gonna get ready. Baby can't do film ledger thing today now. Do you know what is the ledger? Comment down below. We're gonna do that today. So I just talked to him about 40 minutes ago. Tell him to remember that we got a movie date. And he gotta be home soon. He needs to be home in time. Because last week he did sold out and we don't want the movie to sold out today. I was going to go because they open at 11. I was going to go at 11 and purchase the tickets. But because I have so much doing, it doesn't make any sense I make 2 trips to Ochi. Right? So I'm actually going to go up now. I don't have a lot doing. I don't have a lot to do. Just going to go up and finish the bathroom. And then just gonna get ready because I can go and take out our clothes and so forth. So I guess I'll catch you guys at that time. Maybe at the 80 at the speed limit. I'm sorry, but just can't play with these people on the road. Yeah, because my dad, he called me. My dad called me just now to say guess what? Let me say what? Him say one bike man run up in him car. One bike man run up in the car as me leave him and him drive off. One bike boy a gaze and run up in his car, broke the light, the trunk and the bumper. I mean I say, yo, you see those stuff that's listen me? I just don't want nobody a drive and a push up back on me. That's how babe drive too. If my drive and somebody stick up them car back and I rush, we just pull over and let them go. You understand? Daddy said the bike boy was him same that gaze. Like, how can you be on the road and you're not focused? You're not focused on what is ahead. Well, yeah, look pan. Crazy. I'm sorry for you that because I just watched somebody run up in him car door. And he had to purchase a door for almost $100,000. You see them the expenses that I can't do in my life now. Expenses better than me cars. You understand? And you know you can't really bring insurance and everything because insurance really do take up a lot of support, a lot of time and all of those stuff. Yeah. I'm not gonna go by the Ila too fast. Anytime I go by the Ila too fast, it drink up my gas. And my gas there. 2 stroke from half. 2 stroke under half. I'm gonna want to go down no more, so I'm gonna take my time climb the hill. Alright people, when I reach home, when we done clean, I'm not even no more clean for nothing. No more clean in the vlog, I don't think so. I'm not sure. But if I come back, I know that's what my life is all about. Cleaning, organizing, going to work, and trying to fit in simple 1 and 2 things over the weekend. And today, we're definitely going to fit in movie because we didn't make it last week. And I want to go watch The Little Mermaid. And it's just an overdue date night with my husband. So, yeah, that's the vibe. Catch you guys in the next clip, whatever that will be. I was going to go because they open at 11. I was going to go at 11 and purchase the tickets. But because I have so much doing, it doesn't make any sense I make 2 trips to Ochi. Right? So I'm actually going to go up now. I don't have a lot doing. I don't have a lot to do. Just going to go up and finish the bathroom. And then just going to get ready. Because I can go and take out our clothes and so forth. So I guess I'll catch you guys at that time. Maybe at the 80 at the speed limit. I'm sorry, but just can't play with these people on the road. Yeah, because my dad, he called me. My dad called me just now to say, guess what? I say what? Him say, one bike man run up in him car. One bike man run up in the car as me leave him and him drive off. One bike boy a gaze and run up in his car, broke the light, the trunk and the bumper. I mean, I say, yo, you see those stuff that's listen me? I just don't want nobody a drive and push up back on me. That's how babe drive too. If my drive and somebody stick up them car back and I rush, we just pull over and let them go. You understand? Daddy said the bike boy was him same the gaze. Like, how can you be on the road and you're not focused? You're not focused on what is ahead. But yeah, look pan. Crazy. I'm sorry to hear that because I just watched somebody run up in him door, run up in him car door, and he had to purchase a door for almost $100,000. It's them that the expenses that I can't deal with in my life. No expenses better than me cars. You understand? And you know you can't really bring insurance and everything because insurance really do take up a lot of support, a lot of time and all of those stuff. Yeah, I'm not gonna go by the Ila too fast. Like anytime I go by the Ila too fast, you drink out my gas. And my gas there. 2 stroke from half. 2 stroke under half. I'm gonna want to go down no more, so I'm gonna take my time climb the hill. Alright people, when I reach home, when I'm done clean, I'm not giving no more clean for nothing. No more clean in the vlog, I don't think so. I'm not sure. But if I come back, I don't know, that's what my life is all about. Cleaning, organizing, going to work, and trying to fit in simple 1 and 2 things over the weekend. And today, we're definitely going to fit in movie because we didn't make it last week. And I want to go watch Little Mermaid. And it's just an overdue date night with my husband. So, yeah, that's the vibe. Catch you guys in the next clip, whatever that will be.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would have let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black or white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll be fine. Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again. And no.
So we didn't get a chance to go to the movies. No, not really, not right now. The movie was sold out, so we decided to come and have dinner. Oh god, we have been waiting for a while though. Ice cream too. The babe got ribs. Might eat up my festival. I ordered plantains, festival, and shrimp pasta. And yeah, that's the view. We're at Ocean 11. So yeah. Alright guys, me here. So I'm gonna tell you something. I'm so bad at ending out the vlogs them. I'm not end out the vlog them, but if I record and just drop the vlog them brap. So and I need to work on that. So that's why I'm gonna do the part of the video here. Yes, the part of the video I have to come do it because when I like I'm just in the vlog and wrap. So I want to take the time out to thank everybody who has been supporting this channel. Thank you so much. I really love and appreciate every single one of you out there. Yes, I love you. I appreciate you and I want to know that. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And this vlog was another epic fail of trying to watch Little Mermaid, but we finally watched it. I didn't even get any clips from that vlog. However, you see there's a little clippings of one clip I took in the theater. So yeah, thank you so much. This vlog was due from last week. May I drop it this week? So however, may I drop this week's vlog in this week. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.